Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a super in-depth tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys my process from prep to finish. So first off, I'm going in with this drill bit and I'm just removing the cuticles off of my nail beds. It's very important to fully remove those cuticles off of your nail beds because that can be a major problem for lifting and your nails not lasting as long as they should. So I'm just going in and notice I'm saying removing my cuticles off of my nail beds and not removing my cuticles. I personally don't cut off my cuticles just because that can lead to infections and it's kind of just unnecessary to me. So yeah, I'm just going in and making sure that they're fully removed off of my nail beds. Alright, so we're going to be using a few different drill bits. I'm going in with a new one, and as I said before, I'm just going in and really making sure that those cuticles are fully off of the nail bed. Also, this is all on the lowest speed possible. When you're working with your natural nails, you want to make sure that you're going on a very slow setting. And last, we're going in with the sanding band and just completely removing all the shine and buffing off our nails. So now I'm just going to dust off all of that dust, and then we're going to begin with our nail dehydrator. This is I believe it's pronounced Touchable Dehydrator. I purchased this off of Amazon, and I'll be sure to have the links down below. But I'm just going in and applying that to my nails. Next up, we're going in with the Young Nails Protein Bond. Absolutely love this stuff. It's definitely my favorite and definitely an essential when doing nails. This stuff makes my nails last so long. People always ask me like, how long do your nails last? But I literally have no response because they last as long as I want them to. And it's really because of this product. No lifting, no nothing. Like, this product is amazing. So I definitely recommend giving it a try if you never tried it out before. And lastly, I'm just going in with the base coat. I like this base coat. It's really nice. You just want to make sure that you're going in with a nice sticky base coat. This one just happens to be by OPI. So for today's video, we're going to be using my Almond Short nail tips, and these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. These are soft gel nail tips, so they're not ABS plastic. And I'm just going in and sizing them out and making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. Nail tips are perfect if you have problems shaping, doing nails like I do. They really just make the whole process of applying nails so much faster, so much quicker, and so much easier. So if you've never tried them out, I definitely recommend giving them a try. Some people ask me what's the difference between the ABS plastic and the soft gel. Well, one is the material, but it's also just the fact that a soft gel full nail cover, in my opinion, just blends better with your nails, and you can use multiple products on it that kind of melt together and adhere the products together. So we're also going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel, and this is also available for purchase in my Etsy shop. But all I'm doing with this is just going in and scooping a pea-sized amount. You kind of get the hang of this product and you kind of know like, okay, I need to scoop around this much for this nail and so forth. But this product is very easy to use, and if you do happen to get a little bit of excess around the cuticles, then all you have to do is kind of swipe it before you cure. That's very important. You want to make sure that any excess that squeezes out is removed before curing, just because it just takes an extra step out and it makes it easier. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and I'm just scooping it out and applying it to my nails, and I'll be right back. So here's what the nails are looking like. You do want to do your thumbs separately when curing, but now we're going to go ahead and get into our design. So I did drill around my cuticles just to blend them even more, and I used those 2 drill bits. And then I'm also using my Young & Nails protein bond again, and I always do this before applying like a gel polish or builder base, just because it helps make it like seamless and my cuticles look blended. Kind of makes it look like acrylic, almost like it's growing out of your nail. After applying that, I'm going in now with an 80/80 grit nail file, and the links to all of this is down below. But I'm just going in and kind of just getting any excess glue that might be around the edges and just making sure that the shape is perfect. This is super fast. Like I said, these nails are pre-shaped for you, so this step probably takes not even a minute. Now I'm just wiping that all down, and then we're going to be applying our builder base. Oh, I forgot. You do want to go in with some alcohol as well and kind of remove any debris and dust that can be on the nails. And now we're going to go in with our builder base. This is my favorite builder base at the moment. I don't know how to pronounce the name to this brand, but it's available for purchase on Amazon, and the link will be down below. You get a 5-pack of really basic essential colors like a milky white, some really nude pinks. So I definitely recommend it. And I'm just going in and doing the builder base method. So I'm not applying this as a regular nail polish or like a gel polish. I'm applying this as a builder. So you can see I'm just kind of swooping and everything. But yeah, I'm going to apply this to some fingers, and then I'm also going to go in with the other milky white color to other fingers. And I'm also going in with this thin line art brush and just making sure that it's perfect around the sides before curing. These line art brushes are amazing. I purchased a set of 5 of them off of Amazon, and it's honestly really hard to find a really good line art brush, but these are really great, so I'll be sure to link those down below as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me apply these builder base colors, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start our design. I'm going in with this white polish. This is by A-Press, but you can go in with any brand white polish. And again, with the different liner art brush and doing a French tip. So I'm going to go back in with that milky white color and do one thin layer on top of my nails. And this is just going to make my French tip, give it like a nudie French tip type of vibe. I don't know. This is my new thing. It makes it like look like a snood, like a really pretty color. And yeah, I'm just going in and doing a thin top coat of that. So for our design, we're going to be using multiple products throughout this video, so just bear with me. I kind of went extreme for this nail look, and I absolutely love it. But this is just some basic stripe tape. This is available for purchase. You know what? I'm just going to stop saying it. Everything is linked down below. But this is some stripe tape, and then I also went in with some metallic painting gel. And I got this little doohickey off of Shein. Like, it's like a little swirler to melt the color together. It's really cute. I love it. But I'm going in with this line art brush, and I'm just doing a design, and I'm kind of doing this like sloppy. That's kind of the look I was going for. I didn't want it to be like clean cut perfect lines. I'm just outlining my whole nail in this gold gel polish, metallic painting gel. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a no wipe top coat, and I'm going to top off all of those nails that I just applied that polish to. Now we're going to go in with my solid nail tip glue gel again, and I'm just taking a small amount of this and applying it to the back of my charms. I love this product because it's super versatile. I use it to apply bigger charms, and I've had these nails on for 2 weeks now, and I'm looking at them right now. They're still on and no lifting at all. I applied my pinky charms. They're like little cute pearl hearts, and I applied this with a rhinestone gel, but I will honestly apply it with my solid nail tip glue gel instead because it was kind of a bigger charm and they fell off. That drill point gel is mainly for like small rhinestones, I would say, so definitely use the other one to apply it. But I'm also going in now with this tweed style nail sticker that was also purchased off of Shein, and I just trimmed it to make sure it fit my nail, and then I'm going in with that drill point gel again and then applying my pearls, and those they're still currently on my nails. So yeah, I also applied some of those pearls on the sides of that stripe tape that I put as well. Alrighty, so final step. These nails took me so long, but I'm so in love with them. I'm obsessed. But I'm going in with my rose cuticle oil. This is also available for purchase in my Etsy shop. And here's the final look. Oh my gosh, I love them. I got a pair of earrings that actually match the Baroque charm in the middle of my nails. So I'm obsessed. I love this nail look so much. I don't like typically do like really, I wouldn't say crazy, but really detailed, extravagant nails like this. So I'm obsessed. I love them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. All the links will be down below in the description. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video.